Morning everyone, welcome to Friday's Assembly. Hope you've had a really good week enjoying this wonderful sunny weather. We've loved seeing everything that you've been up to. There's been such a strong message around nature and kindness. And we've been busy too. We're missing you so much that we created this for you. Right, let's find out what's been happening in reception. We're starting off with Benji, who's created a wonderful bug hotel. It looks great, Benji. And here is Charlie. He's made a poster all around kindness. Thinking really deeply about it. And here's Amelia with hers. Daisy and Jacob have explored the idea of kindness, and they've been using their soft toys, and they created a hospital. And they've been playing and making their toys feeling better. George has been caring about the frogs in his garden. And here's a picture of the last one, I think, leaving the pond on to find another place to live. Tom has been on a butterfly walk and created this wonderful art picture. He's really thought about symmetry and the colours that he's used. Caleb this week has been busy measuring in his maths work. And we've been seeing that he's been doing a lot of cooking on Teams, so he's been using those skills there too. And here's Olivia. She's made elderflower cordial. Delicious. Well done, Olivia. Thanks, reception. Year 1 have continued the theme of nature in their work this week. Here's Bea. She's created a nature table. Beautiful colours, wonderful flowers there, Bea. And Neve, she created a nature bowl. And here's Max with his nature table. And Mihal, he said this is the best home learning activity ever. I love the way you've laid it all out. So much detail and great organisation. Harvey has written instructions for a bug city. And Jonathan has also written his instructions using bossy verbs. Oliver has created a T-Rex model. So many parts in that model, Oliver. How did you know where they all went? It's brilliant. And now we're going to look at a short video of Amelia, who has learnt to ride her bike. That's such a milestone in our lives. And well done, Amelia. It's great.
There you go, there's another one talk. Oh.
Wonderful. Let's find out what's been happening in year 2. Well, Sarah has started, she continued thinking about kindness and has extended this by creating a message for a neighbour. I bet your neighbour was so touched to receive that message, Sarah. And Clover and Marigold have shown us something new about how to create sun pictures. And here's Clover with her finished product. And here we can see how she did it. So first of all, she pressed some flowers. And then they had some special paper. And they put it in water with the sunlight. And then it's created this. It's amazing. And Marigold has her picture too. Well done, girls. You've taught us something new. Daisy has been inspired by Andy Goldsworthy's art, and she's created a nature picture. And here is Poppy Rees-Jones. I love the pattern that you've created there and the colours that you've used, Poppy. Harrison has continued to be growing, and he's planting some pepper seeds. And it's great to see that Connie's plant is doing really well. Here she is here with it. We're going to look at a little video now about, it's called Land Art by Emma. Here we go. Love the music in it, Emma, as well. It was very peaceful. If I was out walking and I stumbled across it, I would be really interested in seeing it. Thank you. Riley has been busy creating dragon biscuits. I bet they tasted delicious, Riley. And Jude and his brothers have created an obstacle course in their garden, and they've created this little film where they've sped it up, and it shows everything that they've been up to. Thanks, Jude. Thanks, boys. That was really funny. Really enjoyed it. Okay. In the background now you can see the junior message. They're also missing everybody. And we're going to now finish with our song, Three Little Birds. Hope you have a good half term, guys, and look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!